Welcome to Charlie Plotagon Inc. Today's episode is Caillou makes a fake EAS alarm grounded. Wow, it's such a boring day today. What should I do? I know I will make a fake EAS alarm. And I am making sure my family doesn't know what I am doing. Hey Dad, I am going out for a walk. Okay, but don't be too long.
Yeah, don't be too long because it's almost dinner time.
When he started walking, I can't believe I am about to do this. When he got to the tower. Wow, what a tiring day. Oh, it's time for my break. This must be it. Let's do it. What a good show this is. This is the EAS alarm system. We are here to report that aliens have come to Earth and they are attacking people. This is not a drill. Everyone seek shelter now. Again, aliens have come to Earth, seek shelter now. Oh no, not this again. We are going to stop those aliens.
The Anderson Avengers, assemble!
We are going to take those aliens.
Yeah.
Wait, what about Caillou? He is probably seeking shelter somewhere.
We better find him while we are out there.
Yes. Let's go.
Hey, Caillou, what are you doing here? Did you seriously make a fakey? S alert. That's it, I'm going to find your family. Meanwhile, Charlie, we can't find aliens anywhere. That's strange. Boris, Caillou made a fake EAS alarm. What are you talking about? While I was on break, he was using the control system to make the alarm. Oh my gosh, Caillou is in so much trouble. I have him right here. Oh my gosh, Caillou, how dare you make a fake EAS alert? You do know people can get freaked out by that.
You wasted our time. We are going home, and when we get home you will be grounded for 3 months.
And never do this again. Please? I'm sorry.
That doesn't fix it. Now let's go home.
Wow.